maybe somebody catch apparition, ghost.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm. Careful. No, the front is worse.
I know. Man. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Man, that lightning's so close to the ground. Close to us. You're gonna blind me. Ooh. Crazy. Man. And it's 10 minutes to 12 at midnight. Oh my God, I saw the lightning.
I did too.
It is so loud.
I don't think anybody can sleep.
Very bright.
Huh?
Very bright.
I know. I don't think I could stand here any longer doing this. Oh my God. It's just hurting my eyes. It's hurting my eyes when I do this. It really is. Just hold it like that. But it's hurting my eye. Because it's too close. You see the lightning? We gotta close the blind.
Do it.
Freaking book.
With the
Bright.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off now. Want to do the front?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off for now.